You want to learn law, using the term generally. There is a language of law. Lawyers speak it. Judges speak it. Legal scholars speak the language of the law. Law students who succeed speak the language of the law. As you begin law school, you know little or none of it, and it's something that you have to learn. Well, how do you learn it? You can learn it by memorizing or learning by heart or internalizing the words, the language, the vocabulary. And that's what we're talking about here, just really vocabulary words and phrases and clauses and then whole sentences and then short paragraphs perhaps. You want to start, let's say, with your legal lexicon. A lexicon is a dictionary, usually devoted to a particular field, like law. And I encourage students from the get-go to, as they find words in their casebook or other readings related to law that they don't know, to include those, write them down in their legal lexicon. Now, personally, I think that if you have a handwritten, as opposed to computerized legal lexicon, at least to start with, computerize it later, type it all out if you want. If you have that to start with, you're better off, because memory experts tell us that most people learn items better if they write them down rather than use a keyboard and type them into a computer. Probably true. It seems that way for me. How is it for you? Does it work that way? If you don't know, then figure it out. Try and memorize something, see how it works. Well, to learn the language of the law, you want to internalize what I call the legal lexicon. That is a large, eventually very large dictionary of legal terms. Now, I'm not talking about Black's Law Dictionary that many of you may have encountered. Many of you may have been told to purchase prior to starting law school, and it's not a bad investment. But I'm talking about drafting your own, writing your own legal lexicon.